Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to merge two columns in Excel without losing data. So we can see we have this first name list, last name list, and here we will merge without losing data this two column in just in this one column. So type this formula equal sign. Now search here, concat. Now select this first A2 cell. Now comma and emitter like space between this and comma. Now select this B2. So this is the formula. Now press enter. So we have first and last name combinedly in this column. Now select it and drag and drop. Drag these columns like this. So we can this way combine this two column in just one column. Now select, copy and paste here. Now you can delete this column if you want to, like this, without effect for this column. So thanks for watching guys. This is the method to combine two columns in just one column, and easily you can merge two columns without losing data. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.